So I think our team is facing a lot of difficulties to keep the people, audience, because I know Sunday priorities of our youth. I think most of your friends will be there in Church Street and Museum Road and MG Road and the new areas. So I think definitely Avotech team is facing a lot of difficulties to retain. But anyhow, thank you very much for each one of you because you shown interest to be part of the technology summit which happened in the last 2 days from yesterday. In fact, yesterday there was no chairs, were empty. So, but we can think Sunday how it looks for any conference in this world. Sunday always faces difficult, but we at Avotech are able to maintain at least 75% auditorium filled. So congratulations to the entire team for making this possible. So now coming to the Karnataka Book of Records, I think you might have heard of about Guinness Record, World Book of Record, Limca Record. These all, people does with a passion. They create these records. So the Karnataka Book of Records started exactly 4 years back with a clear mission to recognize the local talent, the Karnataka, whatever activities happen in the state of Karnataka, because we are a 6 crore people, we don't have our own identity. So that is the reason this Karnataka Book of Record is born 4 years back in a place called Town Hall, which got again a great history. Sir Puttanna Shetty started, I don't know when, it's almost 100 years history with a lot of tradition, a lot of iconic place. So there we had almost 4 ministers, our state cabinet ministers initiated this project, and we recognized almost all the chief ministers in the last 4 years, including Basavaraj Bommai, Siddaramaiah, then we had a present to honor to Kumaraswamy, all these people, and also all the ministers who done a great work, and individuals who created records. In fact, yesterday we presented almost for 150 educational institutions who are doing a great work on the occasion of we are going to celebrate the Teachers' Day. So we will not get again this auditorium back. So yesterday evening we honored 150 people, all the academic people who are doing a great work, including a 3-year-old kid who done again a great work. So today this same Karnataka Book of Record is proud to honor the Avotech 2023 team, the Intelligence Beyond. So they done beyond expectations of organizing this technology summit, mobilizing large number of delegates as well as the wonderful speakers. I don't know how many people attended from the beginning of yesterday morning session to till now. So if somebody is there, definitely they will also get a Karnataka Book of Record, but they have to prove that they attended from yesterday morning to now. So proving is very easy. So you can go to the Avotech 2023 website and post one picture of yesterday and today picture. So you will get an e-copy of Karnataka Book of Record. Very simple. Correct? Simple or difficult? So very simple. So if someone can able to make, then we will definitely honor that also. So now coming to here, because the Avotech 2020 is purely for a cause, and the team is a visionary leaders, starting from Krishnamurthy sir, Naresh, Kaushik, all our team sitting in the front rows and able to involve, able to put their work, even though they have their own priorities, their own business, their own profession, but they kept almost last 60-70 days working towards to make this project reality. And this hall was booked, I still remember, almost 4 months back. So that is the work they done, and I think you are the beneficiaries more than us. You are the people who attended the session are the beneficiaries. So we created actually 2 records. One is a event which is specifically done for a social cause. This event is specially done for a social cause. The second what record we made with all you people help is making 1257 registrations in 2 hours time. Just 2 hours time, because we given 2 hours time. I think most of you people might have registered in that 2 hours time only. So we kept that space. We are not informed anyone that we are creating a record, but we shared this link to all your institutions like Alamin or BIT, Dayanand Sagar, AIMS. These all institutions we shared, and immediately you started. I still remember I went to AIMS to interact with 190 students in the auditorium. So by the time I completed my 15 minutes speech, all 180 people registered immediately. So the same way, we created a record. There is no event in this world other than this cricket, other than football, other than Wimbledon and all, a technology event which got a registration in 2 hours, this many. So that is the second record we made through Karnataka Book of Record. So now I would like to present on behalf of Karnataka Book of Record as a president to the wonderful team, the Avotech team, these 2 awards. Also, there is one more happy news I want to share with the Avotech team, that today the entire 1.45 billion Indians are celebrating the happiness of hosting world's largest summit. What is that summit? G20 summit. So if anybody is following this, all the 20 premiers of the countries, including the America president, including the United Kingdom president, prime ministers, ministers, they are all landing in our land, in Delhi. So the Sherpa of G20, anybody knows who is the Sherpa? Amitabh Kant, who is the IAS, who is the former CEO of Niti Aayog. He sent a special pins for the delegation. We are leading to go to the Germany, the Egypt, the UK. So today I would like to present even that pins to the team of Avotech for their great work what they done. The G20 pin, which is specially made only to the prime ministers, presidents and ministers of the G20 summit. We got a very few pins. So today it will be given to the people who are done a great work, and even though they are not put the G20 logo, this is part of the G20, because the objective of G20 is Vasudhaika Kutumbam. So what is this Vasudhaika Kutumbam is? Involving all the stakeholders for a cause. So today this is a cause, the summit, the technology summit, and you are all part of this. So making this historical event is also part of the G20, what we are talking. So thank you very much for giving this opportunity. I request all the Avotech team members to come forward and receive this, the award of Karnataka Book of Record as well as the G20, the label pin. Thank you.